Hello, friends. Yash Mehta here. In the last few weeks, video of market analysis videos, we have updated about the market and some of the stocks as well. So, these are the open position that we have currently, and currently the no stop loss have hit in those position. Apart from this, the Bata India was the first stock that I have shared on 16th May. So as you can see on the chart as well, the stock had rallied very well, and it's almost 20% rally in 1 month time frame, as you can see here. So it is good. It was a good trade for our members as well. And the target mentioned here was the first target. It was mentioned in the video as well. So this is the power of just a simple analysis that we do and share every week. Apart from this, I have shared this blog of market analysis. I have covered a detailed analysis of market. Also, I have shared some of the charts that from Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty that are looking good for short to medium term. So one can have a look at this particular blog. I will share the link in the description section. So let's start with the market analysis now. So this is a Nifty 50 chart that I have opened currently. So as you can see here, on Friday it had formed a doji. And it is a perfect doji textbook definition. So you can see high and open and low close everything here. So it is around open and close are exactly similar, and it's a perfect textbook doji. So the high and low of this candle is very important for upcoming days. And the doji is basically a pause after a particular trend. So this was a particular uptrend that we have seen, and the doji is formed currently. If the high is broken in the upcoming days, then we can see an upside. And if the low of 15740 is broken, then we can see a downside in this. Apart from this, this was the all-time high level before this rally, and this can be a support for Nifty, which is around 15431, and this is the second support level for Nifty, which is around 15,000. So suppose if market comes down, so suppose if the market crashes or gives some corrections, then one can look to buy like this, and one can look to buy some quantities of stocks here and some near 15,000 level. So this was all about the Nifty, and currently don't buy any position. Wait for some dip in the market. If it happens, then you can add some position in stock or in index at this particular level itself. So, and whatever position you have, you can continue to hold at that and enjoy this uptrend in the market. So let's start with the first stock of this week. So I've opened a Castrol chart, weekly chart. Now in this, the stock had already given a good breakout, as you can see here, and also the volumes were very high in this particular case. So one can look to buy it at CMP of current market price at 150. Stop loss would be 115 and target would be 230 in this particular case. And the target is calculated based on this particular range calculation. So how did I do this is, I have calculated the range from this particular high and to this low, and I have simply added this to this level. And as you can see, the target that came is around 229 to 230 levels. I have round figured that this particular level, so it's okay. So this was about a cash stall. It can be a good opportunity for a medium term traders, and one can look to buy this with proper proper trading plan. The second chart is Godrej Agrovet. So this is the resistance for this particular. This line is the resistance for Godrej for around 3 years now, and currently the price is consolidating near this resistance. And as you can see, this can be a strong accumulation for Godrej Agrovet at near below just below the resistance, and anytime it can go up above this resistance. So one can, if one wants to wait for a breakout above 594 resistance, so one can wait for that, or else I would suggest to buy at current price of 555. And so one can look to buy at around 555 because the risk could be very low currently. The stop loss would be 470 and target would be 925. Or a conservative trader can wait for a breakout above this 594 and then buy. The stop loss and target would be same in this case. Another stock is Dr. Reddy's Lab daily chart. So as you can see, this was the resistance for Dr. Reddy blue line, and after that the stock was consolidating below this resistance line for 1 month, and on Friday it had given a decent breakout with a big candle. Also the volume was very high, was very good, was above average. So one can look to buy Dr. Reddy in the range of 5300 to 5450. Stop loss would be 5000, this particular red line, and the target would be 6800 in this. So it is a position rate for medium to long term. So one can check out Dr. Reddy Lab as well. Next stock is Garden Ship. So this was the range. In this range, the price was trading, and it was just an. It can be an accumulation of this stock for around 9 months. So and it is now currently trading just below the resistance for around 4 to 5 days. So one can look to buy, wait for a breakout above this 214. And what would be the plan is buy above this breakout only, above 215. Stop loss would be 193 and target would be 274. So it is a low risk trade currently for the positional trader. And the last stock which is offering a low risk buying opportunity for positional trader is Amara Raja Batteries. So as you can see, this breakout, this was the resistance line for Amara Raja batteries, and it had given a good breakout above this particular resistance line. And after this breakout, the stock had went up from around 770 to 1000 levels. And post after that, the stock had corrected to this corrected, and it had retraced to this particular line. And also there is this strong demand region for Amara Raja, as you can see on daily time frame. So currently the stock is getting two supports, one of this trend line and one is a demand zone. Also the major whatever the uh, regarding this distribution stage, whoever sold in this distribution stage because of this volume spike, they have it can be assumed that they have closed their position already. So one can look to buy this stock accumulated in this particular range only, 740 to 760. Stop loss would be 680 and target would be 1000. So this is the low risk buying opportunity for a positional trader. It can be trade for around 1 year to 1.5 year as well. So one can patiently buy this and hold this in their holdings also. So this was all about the market and stock analysis that we have and we have covered this. So if you want more stock related updates, you can follow us on Twitter. And kudos, we have crossed 2000 mark this week only. So thank you friends and mentors as well. So apart from this, you can join our Telegram channel as well. This is the link for a Telegram channel for updates, and there is a disclaimer with this video as well. So this video is shared for educational purpose. We are not SEBI registered. So consult your financial advisor before taking any trade based on the analysis shared in this video. Thank you guys.